When doubt shows up, most people stop. You won't. 8 affirmations for building real confidence. Here's the first. I am confident. I am confident. I can trust my decisions. I can trust my decisions. I replace doubt with action. I replace doubt with action. People see my confidence. People see my confidence. Every day I doubt less. Every day I doubt less. Today I feel certain. Today I feel certain. I believe in myself completely. I believe in myself completely. I turn fear into power. I turn fear into power. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.